Hi there, students. Revelation. A revelation, a countable noun. Could be uncountable as well. This is linked to the verb to reveal. Okay, a revelation is the act of revealing or disclosing something that was secret, something that previously was unknown or not commonly known. The news articles contained some shocking revelations about his personal life. Yeah, it contained a load of shocking revelations. Things that people were fairly shocked about. Okay. It was a revelation when he admitted that he was an alcoholic. So revelation is the making public of things that few people know about in these cases. A fact disclosed, something disclosed. We can use it meaning a fact disclosed in a surprising way. So each episode in the series has a dramatic revelation just before the end. This is to persuade viewers that they really need to watch the next episode. So revelation, disclosure, expose, a leak, an exposure. Sometimes we can use revelation in a positive sense when you discover that you or somebody else has an ability or a skill that you didn't know about. My son's skill as a footballer was a revelation to me. I didn't know about it and I was really pleasantly surprised. Having resolved the argument, my skill as a mediator came to me as a revelation. It came as a revelation to me. Yeah, so I was surprised and pleased about it. We can also use the word revelation in a religious context. A revelation means a divine truth that has been communicated to man by God. Something that is revealed or shown to man by God. God tells man something. That's a revelation. And with a capital R, Revelation is the final book in the Christian Bible, also known as the Apocalypse of St. John. And it talks about the end of the world and what's going to happen to us with the judgment. So a revelation, the disclosure, the publication, the telling of something that is secret or not known or that few people know about. So I hope each of my videos comes as a revelation to you. Well, some words will be a revelation, but others you probably already know. Okay, so next question. What about formality? Revelation, I'd give it a 6 in formality, but I think it's flexible and you can use it anywhere. I think it's ever so slightly formal, but you could still use it informally. And the origin, well, it comes from the Latin word revelatio, disclosure. So that's quite easy. So, a revelation, the making public of something secret, unknown, or something that few people know about. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Revelation.